just cruising right along. Still definitely cold. Warming up as we move along, which is nice. One of the fun things about snowshoeing and winter hiking in general is you just kind of vaguely follow the trail and sort of forge your own path. As long as you're heading the right direction, everything's fine. I recommend using a GPS app. I have Map Out, which is the one that I use the most. There's a million of them on the market that you could use for all the different phones, but I found Map Out to be the most reliable. So we found the actual trail again. It's a little easier hiking when you know exactly where you are. Wind is dying down, it's starting to warm up a little. We got a pretty early start this morning, right around 9 o'clock. So chilly, but feeling good, moving along pretty quick. We're almost to the waterfall, which is roughly the halfway point, give or take. Here's the waterfall. Very, very frozen. A bit of water coming way up the top there. Stopping for our first real break of the day, about a mile from the summit. We should probably be there around 1 o'clock-ish. And then hopefully back to the car around 4 so we can have a little bit of sunlight left. I'm less worried about light, more worried about how cold it's gonna get once we lose the sun. But we're trucking right along. I think hiking in the snow takes a lot more effort than hiking just in the summer or spring, and you're really tired really fast. So a trip like this, you know, it's less than 10 miles, day hike. I've done it hundreds of times in the spring and the summer. It's a familiar trip, but I think that can lull you into a false sense of security in the winter, and it's really important before you leave to check avalanche reports and check weather reports and things like that, because you know, even a place you've been 100 times could bury you alive.